Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my own life transformation and my own experience in a holistic way of living, which means that all aspects of your life. The way you eat, you nurture your body. The way you have your workout regime that is friendly for you, for your health, for your physical health, for your inner organs as well as a mental health support, which is all combination of holistic lifestyle. If you want to know more, if you want to get into the coaching and transform your health, getting better, getting anti-aging, getting longevity, heal your body shape, losing weight, you can send me a DM, down links on my social media. You can send me a message. We can meet over the free consultation call and take it from there. In today's video, I wanna share with you my proven recipe of how to get rid of stretch marks and cellulite. Here and there, you may observe, especially us women, we tend to have that issue with the skin to develop a cellulite and stretch marks. Again, when we have a certain weight and then we drop it, then our skin getting into the more poor state of condition. Also, for example, you was pregnant and you deliver a baby, again, you would observe there is stretch marks and cellulite. When you go through the stressful phase of your life and hence you are binge eating, and hence also post-COVID we are living more into the sitting lifestyle. Also with the today's society we are more driving, more sitting in the office, sitting while traveling, etc, etc. So we are less active compared to our ancestors. So here's my proven simple recipe that would guarantee for you results. Of course, you cannot neglect the factor of how you eat and how you have your workout regime in place. For this, you can contact me and we will structure. But the recipe is next. You need only 3 ingredients. You need an extra virgin coconut oil, you need a pearls of vitamin E, and you need a brush. I have here as an example for you, I have a wooden brush with here some silicone dots, and I have purely silicone brush, which is really my favorite. You could see it. You can get it from Amazon. You can browse yourself and find something similar or same thing, which is absolutely great choices both. What you need to do in the evening after you have your shower, you have your areas where you have stretch marks and cellulite quite wet. You don't wrap it fully with your towel, and put on it mixture of 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 pearl of vitamin E. Put it gently on your hand and then rub it on the area. For example, it's your thighs and your buttocks and your belly and your side of your waist. You wrap it all over the oil, and then you take the brush, which one you have, and then you gently doing the massage. How you do massage for the thighs, for example, this is the thigh, okay, this is your knee, this is your thigh. You do from the knee to all the way up. You do this on the lymphatic way. You turn everything up as per the lymphatic movement of the circulation. Also the buttocks, you do the round movement. On your belly, you do through the clock circle and then opposite. Also for the sides, you do it also in a circle ways, and you give a pretty good power. You do not just do gentle movements, like you really press it and make a movement. Then you would observe that skin would become red, that skin become hot, because you are opening up the blood circulation in this area, and you help to deliver the hormones that would stimulate to rejuvenate your skin cellulars, boost up the collagen, and rejuvenate all the scars as a stretch mark and cellulite. Hence, how long you need to repeat it? You need to have it at least 5 minutes as an exercise. Again, as an exercise, but as a self-care practice. For example, 1-2 minutes per leg, 2 minutes for your belly, 1-2 minutes for each side. Again, what is your areas? But don't be like, okay, 2 minutes and you just watch on the clock when it's 2 minutes. Sometimes you have more time. Sometimes you are in the mood of giving yourself more love. You can give it more, but don't do like really rush, like 10 seconds exercise. Do it properly. Find the time, and it will pay you off tremendously with a beautiful, stunning legs and skin quality. You would see results in 1 month. You need to do it every single day. Extra virgin oil, 1 teaspoon, 1 pearl of vitamin E, and any sort of brush that you have with a really hard, how you would call, with a really hard coverage, and you do this exercise for a couple of minutes every single month. You would see results, you would see improvement, and I highly recommend to do it on a regular basis. I understand that particularly every single day you may not do, but at least like 3 times a week, 4 times a week, even 2 times a week. Implement this as your evening rituals, and you would see that results not only from the brush but also from this mixture of oil, vitamin E, and coconut oil. Would see that the skin is glowing, it's nurtured, it's have enough of healthy fats, it's rejuvenating. And no matter what is the season, if you want to prepare for bikini season, if you want to be in a good shape, if you want to see your legs and your body parts in a good condition, and when you feel, also when you touch your skin, it gives this very sensitive touch. So keep the practice and it will pay you off, and you would see the results, and your loved one would see results as well. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to put thumbs up, share with someone who needs to know this secret, and I'm inviting you one more time to send me a DM and get yourself a free consultation call. Transform your health. So again, there is New Year resolution 2024. Do something new for yourself to improve your body shape, to improve your body weight, and improve your health, because this is essential for life and for all your goals. See you in the next video.